Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we're passionate about sharing insights into the tech world, especially when it comes to exciting job opportunities. We're always on the lookout for top talent, and today we're focusing on a senior net developer position. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button below if you want to be the first to know about new job openings, tech trends, and other valuable resources. Are you a seasoned net developer looking for a new challenge? Or perhaps you know someone who is. We're on the hunt for a senior net developer to join our dynamic team at our offices pan-India. Let's break down what a .NET developer actually does. Imagine you're the architect of digital experiences. You built the backbone of applications that people use every day, from e-commerce platforms to enterprise software. Net developers are the masterminds behind these applications, turning ideas into reality. So, what does a .NET developer do in a team? They're the coding wizards. They collaborate with designers, product managers, and other developers to create amazing software. They write the code, test it, and make sure it all works seamlessly. Now, let's talk about the skills we're looking for in our senior net developer. We're specifically interested in candidates who are experts in C#, .NET Core, Web API, Entity Framework, and MVC. These are the building blocks of modern net development. But we're not stopping there. We're looking for someone who has hands-on experience with specific technologies and projects. Have you built a complete MVC application using ASP.NET Core? Have you integrated third-party systems into your applications based on API documentation? Do you have experience managing background jobs using tools like Hangfire or Task Manager? Are you a pro at code management, review, and merge using strong SCM processes? Are you comfortable working with ORMs like Entity Framework? Do you have experience handling FTP, message queues, parsing large files, and working with non-traditional databases? Do you have experience with React.js? Are you familiar with microservices architecture, and have you built microservices using .NET? If you or someone you know fits this profile, we want to hear from you. This role offers a competitive salary of up to 35 Indian rupees LPA. So, if you're a passionate net developer ready to take on new challenges, hit that apply button now. And don't forget to share this video with your network. And remember, we post new job openings regularly, so make sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. We also share tips, tricks, and tutorials to help you level up your tech skills. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Let's find the perfect candidate together.